Alright, so we're going to try something different today. This is called, let's tear up a floor to put down another floor. So we're pulling up this hardwood floor all the way to this one. So that's going to be the last one that's left of the old floor. From here, pretty much the one board there at the wall, all the way across to that wall, and then the whole front door is going to get all this new flooring, which is the same kind of thing, just a different flavor. Instead of sanding, because the front door was somebody had cut the front door anyway, as y'all can see right here. Somebody cut this and put down tile. Well, the problem is they didn't put a good backer behind it, so as the years went by, then every time you walked over it, it would crack, and then you ended up with a couple cracked tiles here and there, and then they were popping up, and then the dogs, every time the dogs would lay down, they would do it. But this stuff's put down old school. If you look, let me see if I can show y'all. Let me see if I can show y'all here. If you look on the back of here, it says Sailor USA Lumber Company, USA, Bluefield, West Virginia. So we looked it up, and this lumber company only existed from 1930-ish to 1945. So this house was built in 39. So that's 39, 40, whatever. But it's all put down with these cut nails. So all the flooring's put down with these cut nails. So they're a pain to get back out. They don't come up with like all these new nails do. But I'm going to show y'all how I figured out how to do it. Regardless of how you do it to start, you're going to have to tear up some. You're going to have to tear up a piece or two to get them started. But after that, you can pretty much get it in. Hey Zeus, what are you doing? You can pretty much get them all pulled up. You may pop a tongue or a groove here and there, but the face of them will still be good. I'm going to keep all this hardwood floor because the whole rest of the living room is hardwood floor. So I'll keep it all for just in case something happens along the way. Hey Zeuser, how about you get out of the way? Yeah, I know. You want to be on here. But I'm going to set y'all up, let y'all watch me for a little bit, and that'll be all of it.
Alright,
so the easiest way to do is get you a little flat bar like this, and take it and get it underneath. Figure out where one of those cut nails is at. And then get you a crack going. Once you got that, then you take your flat bar, put it in there, start pushing it out, because they're nailed in this way. So you got to push them out that way. These are all hand nailed, so they're in there good. It ain't like these nail guns of today. These old cut nails don't play. Like I said, might tear a tongue off here and there, but there you go. Some of these cut nails are in here so good that it leaves them behind, so you're going to have to go back and get some of them out later. But then you're down to the old subfloor, which, whoo, yeah, 1930s, 1940s technology. There you go. Out the way, dingus.
No.
Out the way, I'm going to run over your toes. Zeus, get out of the way.
I need to paint this side of the wall.